Welcome everyone, this is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today we're going to focus on another trend for 2022, which is arm cuffs. These are two that I've made. This one is made out of aluminum wire and a thin gauge gold wire that wraps and braids in between them. And this one is made out of faux leather braided black cord and a studded antique gold cord. And this is the one that we'll be making today. I'm going to get set up and I'll be right back. The first step is to take the gold cuff and we're going to gently open the cuff and we're going to keep fitting it on the arm. Everybody's arm is different, and this is flexible if you play with it. And this cuff will just sit right on the arm like so. So once you've stretched it and shaped it in a way that you're happy with it, I would keep trying it on your arm. You want it flat to your arm, but not digging into it on the ends. You can shape it more after we glue everything on as well. That's not too bad. So the first step is to measure a length of this faux black leather cord so that it lines up. Okay, with this edge. And what I found was to lay the cord up against the bracelet and kind of trim the edge so that it hugs that little curve right there. And then just stretch it to meet the other end and trim the other end accordingly. Next, I'm going to place a little dab of glue right there on that end and press that cord in place. And you want to make sure you get the glue right under the very end so that it won't unravel or unbraid. And then I'm going to very carefully apply a strip of glue about halfway, and we're just going to slowly glue that onto the bracelet base, making sure that it sticks. Next, I'm going to cut a 19 stud length of this cord. So first I will cut right along there. Count 19. Cut the other end. And just like we did the braided cord, we'll glue this on the cuff. And I found it's easiest to go a few steps at a time. And then just kind of get your glue gun down in there. And next we're going to glue on 3 more strips of the black braided cord, 1 more strip of the studs, and then 1 more strip of the black braided cord, and we'll be done. Here we go. It's that easy. All you need is a glue gun and scissors. And then once it's made, you can adjust it, stretch it so it fits your arm. Thanks for joining us today. If you make your own studded arm cuff, we'd love to see it. You can share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.